This is how to add task detail in ClickWorker, and I will also be taking you through how to clear the payment on hold error message in ClickWorker. My name is John from Ask JOFA. Please do me one big favor, subscribe to this channel. Also, like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to everybody around the world. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. You can see this is the inside of ClickWorker, and the first thing you do to add your task detail is to log in. You log in as ClickWorker. You can see this is the inside of my ClickWorker profile. You can see that I have this amount that I'm here to collect. To add your task detail, if you are using mobile device, you come to something like this. It will bring out all this menu: jobs, job history, assessment, forum. You click your payment details. You can see the previous video I did was how to add your Pioneer account in ClickWorker. You can watch the video here. This video is about how to add your task details inside ClickWorkers. So to add your task details, you click this place. You can see, please notice your work for ClickWorker might classify you as an independent provider. So if you are working with ClickWorker, you are an independent contractor. That limits the responsibility and obligation of this company to you. This is where you add your tax details. You click this place. I confirm that I'm not tax resident in the US or EU. You switch this button, then you save it. So you can see I confirm that I'm not tax resident in the US or EU. What that implies that I'm not resident in US or any of the EU countries. It implies that you are outside the US and outside the EU countries, that their tax is not going to be applicable to you. That is all you need to do to add your tax details in ClickWorker. This payment temporary on hold error message is as a result of the new addition of Pioneer as my ClickWorker payment method. To clear this error message, all we need to do is to go to the links that ClickWorker sent to you to confirm you are the one that effected this change. As soon as you click that link, the error message will be clear off. This is the confirmation email that was sent by ClickWorker. So the email was sent as a result of new addition of Pioneer payment method. So you can see, please confirm those changes by clicking there. So you are going to click here to confirm the changes. Look at it. It says, in case you are asked for a code, please enter this code. So you are going to copy this code, because by the time you click this link, they are going to ask for this code. So you are clicking this link. You can see that the payment on hold error message has been cleared and the addition of your tax details has been effected. Look at what it says. Your changes have been confirmed and payment will resume. So this is how to add your tax detail and also clear the payment on hold error message in ClickWorker. Please subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell so that you can always see my video whenever I publish every week. Also, help me like this video to push it so that many people can watch this video. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. Bye for now.